Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting your Midi keyboard or controller. Use Lightning or USB-C or pair via Bluetooth. Confirm it's powered. Open Garageband and tap New Song. Choose an instrument that accepts Midi input, for example keyboard or external instrument. Once done, check Garageband's input. The track should show Midi activity when you press a key. Make sure iPadOS permissions allow audio/MIDI access, because without that Garageband won't receive signals from your controller. This prevents wasted trouble. Now route the Midi into a Garageband track so you can play and record. Select your instrument track, open track controls, and pick your Midi device as the input. If needed, choose the Midi channel to match your controller. Next, adjust transpose or octave so notes land in the correct register, and tweak velocity response to get the dynamics you want. Once configured, arm the track for recording, enable metronome or count-in for timing, and test by recording a short pass to confirm notes and timing are captured. Finish by recording your performance, then refine it. Use the piano roll to edit notes, durations, and velocity for musical precision, and apply quantize sparingly so feel remains natural. Once you're happy, layer additional tracks or add Apple loops to build the arrangement. Save regularly. If things go wrong, first verify the physical connection or Bluetooth pairing, then check Garageband's selected Midi input and iPadOS audio/MIDI permissions. If still silent, reboot the iPad and controller. Often a reset restores the Midi link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.